Hey everyone. So I just got my my holiday collection from Wet n Wild, and I haven't had a chance to go through it or anything. But I wanted so today I've been really wanting to finish these palettes. I think I got dust in my eye and I'm tearing and it's red and irritated. I put drops in. But anyway, the Ultimate Expressions palette from, what was it, 2000 and, I think it was 2006 or 7. Anyway, I just wanted to finish this. I started using this and I want to use the other half. So I put in the Idolize, the dark blue and the light blue, and when I went to blend it in, it got all underneath. So I look like I have two black eyes. Hopefully by the time I have to do this eye, it'll stop tearing. I'm just tearing like crazy here. I put allergy drops in my eyes. And I'm pretty sure it was dust because I went to pull this out. I guess I don't use it that often. And it had dust on it. And I cleaned off the dust and then my eyes started getting irritated. I'm going to start with that dark blue color. Go into the brown. Oh, sorry. The brown. My hand has been in a lot of pain, so I'm really trying to. Right now, I'm just holding the mirror with it. I'm pretty sure that it's gonna start hurting me soon. Oh, okay. So far, me like. Just a lot of fallout. It's just going all over my face. And then, of course, it mixed with the blue, but it's like a. I probably, from mixing it with the blue, it's a very cool toned brown. I like that. And then I'm going to go into this really light blue for the highlight. Oh, I didn't do my brows again. I'll do it after. Ow. And then I'm going to go in the inner corners with this medium blue. Man, my eye was fine until I picked up that brush and the dust that came off of it. But anyway, yeah, it opens up. Putting the light color here, especially for my deep set eyes, it like opens up. So, yeah. So let me finish my makeup and I'll be right back. Hey everyone. So for my cheeks and highlight and contour, I use, this one is called Sunset Junction. And for lips, I used one of the Wet n Wild High Shines. And let me see if I can read this. I can't see the name, but I will definitely put it, in the video.